Alright folks, welcome back to the show. Welcome back. Everybody is saying, well, the majority of you said, well, the majority on Patreon, I don't know, I'll have this glued, I guess, before these videos make it to YouTube. Anyways, so far, everybody has agreed, well, most everybody, we should glue these inserts in. But first, I'm going to fix that damaged area around here. I'll get you in a minute, bring you over here and show you the ones that haven't seen that video where I did show it. So it'll be on this video and show you what I'm talking about, what we're going to fix. I used CA glue on that the last time, if you remember. I'm going to use wood glue this time because it's wood. I mean, you know, maybe it'll hold better with wood glue in it. And then, after that sets up, all I'm going to do tonight is just fix the damaged area there, clamp it. I got a little pipette here. I'm going to suck glue up in that. I'm going to be sucking glue again. And after that sets up, I'll probably have to turn the guitar up here upside down and let gravity draw the glue down in there where it's pulled apart. Okay, and then I'm going to use this band clamp, run it completely around the guitar, put a piece of leather over that, maybe some wax paper, and then leather, and then a block of wood, and run the band clamp around the guitar, tighten it down, and let that shove that down flat. Pretty much the same way we fixed it before, only the difference is I'm using wood glue this time instead of the CA glue that I used the last time. It didn't hold. So I got to get something else. I can't think what it is. Wet rights, cloths, paper towels. You always got to have that stuff around when you glue. I'll get you right now and bring you over here and show you for the ones that haven't seen this, or just show you again if you have seen that old one. And there it is. See, I want to get glue up under that. And in these cracks over here, I see it's pulled up a little bit on there. I can see a crack in the camera right there. Fill that full of glue. And I got to turn the guitar around where gravity will help that glue get in there. Like I say, I would use CA glue again, but it didn't hold. So, you know, this time I'm going to put the good stuff in it. Wood glue for wood, right? And then, not tonight, but after tonight, we're going to glue these in with Gorilla Glue, like everyone agreed, and be done with this. Glue them in with Gorilla Glue and clamp them down tight, and they will not ever move again, I don't think. I wouldn't do that to a real Les Paul. I wouldn't recommend it at all, and tried not to do it to this one, but I thought about it, and everyone voted yay, so that's what we're going to do in the next video. This one, I just want to fix the damage. So let me, so I got to go suck glue. Haven't sucked any glue yet. I got to fill this up with glue. I'll put some in the cup, suck it up out of there, and I'll bring you back and we'll get on with this. Hold on. Alright, here we go. I imagine we're going to get glue all over the place, but I had to build a thing here the last time to keep glue from running down the guitar because it was CA glue. This glue won't hurt if it gets on the guitar. And just wipe it all away. I just want to get glue right where the open crack is. Let it run down into that crack. Oh yeah, man. I can see it going down in there. It's going in good. Cue ball made the scene. She's around here somewhere, and Zeke is too. Now, there's a place. That's where I can see that running down in there. I wish you guys could see that. Gravity's doing its thing. There's a place on this side over here. I got to wait, let that run in there for a little bit. And then I want to get some in it too. And I'm going to have to turn the guitar. I know you probably can't see shit, but well, I'm going to have to turn the whole guitar up. Different. I'm going to just let that run in there a few minutes before we do anything. Well, it's run down in there pretty good. I'm just going to leave it now. And turn the guitar up this way, I guess you can see. And try to get glue to run in this other crack. The new one that opened up. And it is. There it goes. don't want to get too much glue down in that hole though. You know, deep into the hole. Don't want to do that. Make the hole smaller. Of course, it needs to be smaller. So the things that are smaller, I wouldn't be doing this to start with. The things would fit. A little bit of water on this rag, that'll help. That'll help get the make the glue run in there better. I'm just going to reach inside of there, try to wipe some of the glue out that ran down into the hole instead of the crack. Oh, it worked perfect. Perfect, man. Alright. Now, let me get a... Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, it's running in there good. There's 2 cracks in there. I don't think there was one up here. That place I glued before, it's holding good so far. I do want to try to get a little bit more into that area. See all that glue? You can't see it, but all that glue's done ran somewhere. It's gone, man. It's done ran away. I don't know if you're seeing or not, but here we go. More glue. Yeah. Uh-oh. Somebody wants outside. Somebody wants outside. I am going to have to put a piece of wax paper over that. We don't want to glue the leather to the guitar. I just happen to have wax paper all over the place. So yeah, man, that's running in there good. Running in there just fine as wine, baby. I doubt you can even see it. But yeah, maybe a little bit. Well, I'm just going to wipe the rest of that out. And just wipe off what's not running in. Give it just a little bit longer. I want that glue to run in there as far as it will go. And where this finish is lifted up, get a little bit more in that. It's so tiny, man. I can force it underneath there with that pipette. Force the glue to go, you know, where that shows you, you can see where the finish was stuck up right there. If I rub that the wrong way, it's going to rip that piece of finish right off of there. But, yeah, I can push in on that to see the crack closing and we're getting squeezed out. Wipe the excess away. And we'll see about getting this thing clamped. Smash all that back down. Wow, look at it move. It's quite a large opening right there. Okay. I got to get the clamp on it. Get the clamp around it. Get that out of the way. And the way you want to do that is how? How are you going to do it? Like so. And get rid of that. And I'll raise you up here where you can see a little bit of what's going on anyways. You the cameraman. In the worst way. You know what? Do this. Yeah, much faster. Alright. There's the paper. There's the leather. I should turn that maybe this way. Block of wood. Well, I thought I was going to have to run that over the pick guard, but it appears I have to run it on top of it. So it's over top of it now. It's not hurting it any. Boy, she's tight, boy. Wow, I don't think I'm going to go any tighter than that. It's plenty tight. So, hold on, I'll get you and bring you over here and show you exactly what the score is. Hold on. I don't think I mentioned it, but I stuck a capo on there to help hold the strings out of the way. They're still attached to the tail piece. Yeah, it's kind of working. Anyways, what do we got? Here we are. I'll tighten that clamp some more. Man, you can really apply the pressure with that clamp. Clamps shoving down on the block, down on the leather, down on the wax paper. And that glue won't stick to that wax paper. It won't stick to it. Not this kind of glue. And we'll leave that till tomorrow or so. I probably won't leave that long. I'll probably come back in here just in 4 hours or so, take it all off. And then we'll get ready to Gorilla Glue these suckers in there. Wow. I can get that tape off of there. If I glue that in with that tape on, then the insert could slide right out of the tape and still come out. So we'll get rid of that and glue them in there. Wow, that's just going to be wild, man. Anyways, we'll see. It's going to live again. Make this guitar awesome again. Well, it never was awesome the first time, really. I've got some clearish Gorilla Glue, and that's what I'll use on these inserts when I do glue them in. You know, if it's get a little on the body, if it don't clean off, at least it'll be clear. It'll look like a finish, you know. So hopefully that'll work, and won't have to worry about it anymore. Look who come to see us, folks. Can you believe it? She's here. You can't hardly see her, but I'm telling you, we're going to get three-way dog harmony, and we're going to do it for you now. We're going to sing this thing 3 ways. We're going to say, are y'all, Zeke's helping us, by the way. He's in the floor. I can't lift him. All right, let's do it. I love you. I love you. Here we go. Three-way dog harmony. Get up in there.